Ever wondered if you're performing your push-ups correctly? Well, you're not alone. The push-up, while seemingly simple, is actually a complex exercise that requires proper form to be effective. When performed correctly, it's a powerful total body workout, but when done incorrectly, it can lead to injuries and be a waste of your precious workout time. Proper form is crucial, not just for the effectiveness of the exercise, but also to protect your body from potential harm. Incorrect form can strain your muscles and joints, causing discomfort and even serious injuries over time. And let's face it, nobody wants to spend their time and energy on something that doesn't yield results, right? Learning the correct way to perform a push-up can significantly enhance its benefits. It can improve your strength, boost your endurance, and help you achieve your fitness goals faster. So, are you ready to master the art of doing a perfect push-up? Let's dive in. To execute a perfect push-up, understanding the involved muscles is crucial. In the classic push-up, 4 major muscle groups are put to work. These are your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Let's break down how each of these muscles contributes to the push-up. Firstly, the pectoralis major, or your chest muscles. These are the primary movers in a push-up. They're in charge of the pressing motion, pushing your body away from the ground. When you lower yourself back down, they control that descent, ensuring it's slow and controlled rather than a free fall. Next up, your shoulders, specifically the deltoids. These muscles stabilize your upper body during the movement. They keep your body straight and aligned, preventing any unwanted wobbling or tilting. They also assist the chest muscles in the pressing motion, contributing to that upward push. Then we have the triceps brachii, the muscles at the back of your upper arms. These are your secondary movers in a push-up. When you push your body up, your triceps extend your elbows, allowing you to straighten your arms. They work in tandem with your chest and shoulder muscles to provide the power for the push-up. Lastly, your core, which includes your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles. While these aren't directly responsible for the push-up motion, they play a vital role in maintaining your body position. A strong, engaged core keeps your body in a straight line from head to heels throughout the exercise. It prevents your hips from sagging or piking up, which can cause strain and injury. Each of these muscles has a specific role to play in the push-up. They all need to work together to execute the movement correctly. By understanding this, you can focus on engaging each muscle group during your push-ups, leading to more effective workouts and faster progress. Now that you know which muscles you're working, it's time to get into the correct position. Scene script. A perfect push-up starts with the perfect setup. Just as a house needs a solid foundation, so too does your push-up. It all begins with your hand placement. Spread your fingers wide and align your hands directly under your shoulders. This isn't just to protect your wrists, it's also the key to engaging the right muscles. Now let's talk about body alignment. Picture a straight line from the top of your head all the way to your heels. You want to maintain this line throughout the entire exercise. This means your head shouldn't drop forward and your hips shouldn't sag or pike up. It's all about stability and control. Keeping a straight back is a crucial part of this alignment. The phrase "keep your back straight" doesn't just refer to the spine, it also includes your lower back. To do this, engage your core muscles. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. This not only protects your lower back but also ensures that your core shares the workload. It becomes a full-body exercise, not just an arm workout. Your feet are also part of the equation. Keep them close together to maximize core engagement. If you find this too challenging, it's perfectly fine to keep them hip-width apart. The key is to find a balance between stability and challenge. Remember, the perfect setup isn't about speed, it's about precision and focus. Take your time to get it right. It might feel like you're spending a lot of time on the ground, but trust me, it pays off. The better your setup, the more effective your push-ups will be. And there you have it. The initial push-up position is all about hand placement, body alignment, and a straight back. It might seem like a lot to remember, but with practice, it'll become second nature. And the beauty of it is, once you've mastered this, you can do push-ups anywhere, anytime. With the correct setup, you're halfway to a perfect push-up. Let's move on to the execution. Now that you're in position, it's time to execute the push-up. First, let's focus on the downward phase. Start by taking a deep breath in as you begin to lower your body. Your elbows should be bending back at about a 45-degree angle from your sides. Imagine as if you're trying to squeeze a lemon under your armpits. This will engage your chest muscles and protect your shoulders from unnecessary strain. As you descend, keep your eyes trained about a foot in front of your hands to maintain a neutral neck. Your body should be a straight line from your head to your heels, just like a plank of wood. No sagging hips or piked up butts here, folks. You should lower until your chest is just a whisper away from the ground. If you can slide a single sheet of paper between your chest and the floor, you're at the perfect depth. Now, let's talk about the upward phase. This is where the magic happens. As you push back up, exhale forcefully, driving through the heels of your hands. You should feel your chest, shoulders, and triceps working in harmony to lift your body back up. Again, remember to keep your body as straight and rigid as a plank of wood. No cheating by lifting your butt first or letting your hips sag. One important note here, slow and steady wins the race. The slower you perform your push-ups, the more muscle fibers you'll engage, leading to greater strength gains. So resist the urge to rush through your reps. Quality always trumps quantity when it comes to push-ups. And lastly, never forget to maintain your form throughout the entire push-up. You might be thinking, well duh. But trust me, as fatigue sets in, it's easy to let your form slip. So keep checking in with yourself. Are your shoulders over your wrists? Is your body straight as a plank? Are you breathing correctly? And there you have it, a perfectly executed push-up. But wait, there's more to discuss. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. And yes, that includes when you're doing push-ups. It's not just about getting your chest to the floor and back up again. There's a lot more to this humble exercise, and certain mistakes can rob you of its true potential. First off, let's talk about those flared elbows. Picture a bird trying to take flight. That's not the look we're going for here. When your elbows are flared out wide, it puts unnecessary strain on your shoulders, increasing your risk of injury. Instead, aim to keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. This engages your triceps and chest more effectively, and it's a lot safer for your shoulders. Now, onto sagging hips. This is when your body resembles more of a sagging bridge than a straight line from head to toe. Not only can this lead to lower back pain, but it also means you're not engaging your core as you should be. The solution? Brace your abdominals as if you're about to be punched in the stomach. This helps keep your body in line and fires up your core. And finally, let's address rushing through the movement. It's not a race, folks. Speeding through your push-ups means you're likely not going through the full range of motion, and you're missing out on the strength-building benefits this exercise offers. Slow down, take your time to lower your body all the way down, and then push back up to the start position. Remember, quality over quantity always. So there you have it. 3 common push-up mistakes and how to fix them. Flaring elbows, sagging hips, and rushing the movement can all detract from the benefits of this fantastic exercise. But with the right form and a little patience, you can correct these issues and maximize your push-up potential. By avoiding these common mistakes, you're on your way to mastering the perfect push-up. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. The perfect push-up isn't just about moving up and down, it's a full body exercise that requires your full attention to detail. We've learned that proper form is non-negotiable. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, your body straight as a plank, and your eyes focused ahead. We've also discussed the importance of setting yourself up for success. This means finding a comfortable and flat surface, warming up properly, and mentally preparing for the task at hand. We dove into the execution of the push-up, emphasizing the need for a controlled descent and a powerful ascent, all while maintaining a tight core and straight back. We also pointed out common mistakes to avoid, such as flaring your elbows out, sagging your lower back, or rushing through your reps. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on your push-ups, and you'll see progress before you know it. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.